All right, for the exact information, that's the bolts that I used, the new ones I bought from mounting. So it's a 3/8 by 16, 1 by 3/4 flange bolt. That's what I used to replace those old junk ones. I don't even know where the hell I laid them things. That I ripped out. Not that those were even, they were soft. I rounded them off, but it's all installed, hooked up, batteries hooked up. Nothing electrical smells hot, so that means nothing's shorting out on me, and we have life. So there you have it. 2001 Mercury Mountaineer 5-liter V8 all-wheel drive. Old starter out, new starter in, new electrical connections, new mounting bolts, brand new starter, new battery. Should be all geared up for winter. So got the snowblower running, all ready to go for winter.